Hello, everyone. This is Vivian, April's most grateful student in Nigeria. I left my house at about 7ish this morning and I came back with, ta-da, how the tortoise broke its shell. This is 100% a product of Self-Publishing Made Simple, the course run by April Cox. In late 2021, I had already been a member of Self-Publishing Made Simple on Facebook, and I had binge watched on April's free videos. I still binge watch on it today. It's an addiction. I'm not going to stop very soon. And I got offered a scholarship. I submitted a manuscript for this book, and I got offered a scholarship and I attended the author work group in early 2022. So that was the 12-week section starting in January. Now, I had a lot of challenges, much to do with my environment, my local environment, things I couldn't help. Sometimes one day it will be power, most of the time during the course it will be internet access and power, combination of that and the works. We're not discussing my challenges here, it's in a YouTube video on my channel. But I still had access to the course, which is huge. Until today, I still have updated notes by way of video, even the notes and a powerful resource library. Let me break down what April does during the course or what the course helps you do. Like me, it's not designed for authors only in America. I live in the other part of on another continent. So whatever continent you are, I'm probably an international ambassador. If you sign up for this course, April handholds you. I've taken a few courses in my, not a few, lots of courses in my life. I really don't know anybody who has that thing, that hand-holding skill. So April handholds you. This is what I even know about the course. Let me break it down a bit more. If you don't need a certain academic degree or a certain higher level of understanding, anybody could do it. April brings it down to the basics. She takes you by hand with your idea, and then even if you don't have an idea, I tell you, when you start this course, you will have an idea. You do the research, you fine-tune your manuscript, you'll get editors to work with you, you get illustrators to work with you, she gets graphic designers to format your book, you start off your social media management, you start off your book promotion, and then you go to a launch book. Everything from simple to advanced. You know what to do free on a budget if you're on a shoestring budget like I was, and if you have some money to spend, you have a more flexible budget. The course is amazing. I'm still awed. I finished the course, now I have an alumni. I benchmark my progress against them. Everybody celebrates each other's wins. The resource library. Oh, I don't know where to get an editor. It's all there. Oh, I don't know where to get an illustrator. I know it's all there. Oh, my book is quite niche. I don't know where to get an influencer to push it. It's all there. Oh, I think I need a kind of professional to do X, Y, and Z. It's all there. Oh, I need a website to promote my book. Everything is listed there. There's really no resource like it. Trust me, I've been to several author websites and several author YouTube channels. There's really nothing out there in the market like SPMS. And that's it. It's a lifelong opportunity. The good thing is, yes, my book has probably taken a year and 8 months, but guess what? I have 2 other books. So when this is published, my second book will be out very soon. And then my third book, and then the translations of each book in about 3 languages apart from this. So it's a big win. It's a big win. It's a big opportunity. I really now truly see myself as an author. I think there's one caveat I might put here. Yes, I am an illustrator, but I was just 1% of the class. I think in the class, it was only 2 of us that had illustration skills, and we're just minority. Most of the people who went to the class with us, and I say this out of respect, might probably not be able to draw a stigma to save their lives, but everybody has a book now. Some are even on their second, third book, as suspected. April and Bobby Hinman, at this point, I will say thank you so much. I love you both. This product I dedicated with you on the acknowledgement page, which I will read. I wrote it there. I said, I'm highly privileged to have met April Cox of Little Labrador series and Bobby Hinman of Best Fairy Books. The scholarship they availed me to self-publishing Made Simple Authors Work Group made this book possible. Forgot to mention, I also designed an activity book to accompany my book. The pair of them go together perfectly well. And on this note, if you want to hold your own children's book in your hand, as I'm doing right now, SPMS is the way to go. Just start moving there. Bye-bye.